My name's Detective Falk. We're assisting with the search.
5 women got lost out there. Only 4 came back.
They followed a valley north.
It was the last place they saw Alice.
Which means that she's now been on her own for more than 30 hours.
It's a bit remote for a corporate retreat, isn't it? But it's also convenient if you want to make someone disappear.
Whatever they're all telling you happened out there, Alice was a part of it. We all were.
She's in danger out there.
Tell me what is going on. Why is this so different?
Because I know what it's like out there. I know what happens when things turn bad.
Alice was up to something.
Are you there?
Who are you talking to? There's someone there.
You remember Kovac?
Serial killer?
All of his murders were in this region.
Your mind starts to play tricks on you out there.
Just tell them the truth.
Out there, nature holds us all to account.